Trading in the Forex market requires precision, speed, and clarity. Using a well-designed TradingView template can make a significant difference in analyzing charts, spotting trends, and executing trades efficiently. The best TradingView template for Forex combines simplicity, functionality, and powerful indicators that deliver actionable insights without overwhelming the trader. This template integrates key indicators such as moving averages, the relative strength index, and support and resistance levels. The moving averages help identify trend direction and potential entry points, while the RSI highlights overbought and oversold conditions, allowing traders to anticipate reversals or confirmations. The support and resistance lines are clearly defined to provide quick visual references for critical price levels, ensuring traders make informed decisions. The color scheme is optimized for clarity, minimizing strain during long trading sessions. Candlestick patterns are highlighted with subtle yet effective markers, making it easy to identify setups like pin bars, engulfing patterns, and dojis. Alerts are configured to notify traders of significant market movements, ensuring no opportunity is missed even when away from the screen. This template also incorporates volume indicators and trend strength oscillators, providing a complete picture of market momentum. It's lightweight, responsive, and designed to work across multiple currency pairs without cluttering the chart. The layout is intuitive, allowing traders to switch timeframes seamlessly and analyze short-term and long-term trends side by side. Implementing this template can save hours of manual chart setup, streamline analysis, and increase confidence in trade execution. It's suitable for beginners who want structured guidance and advanced traders who need precise market signals. By using the best TradingView template for Forex, traders can maintain focus on strategy, execution, and risk management, ultimately enhancing performance in the competitive Forex market.